So we have a Samsung refrigerator, and the complaint on this was no cool. So warm refrigerator, both sections. So further testing, we concluded that the start device was bad. You also want to check the overload as well. And once you've concluded, you can always check for power as well. If you're not sure, you can plug the unit in and you should get power coming to it. As you can see, compressor is running.
Yeah. Well, it's running now.
Running.